What's going on, guys? Sergey Protaz here with Yarik Garage, and today we're going to be swapping the MK4 steering wheel for an MK6 one. This is going to be a how-to video on how to do that. I'm going to show you the steps and what to do and what not to do. And so let's do it. Let's dive in and get her going, boys. Oh, this is the MK4 steering wheel. Nothing fancy, pretty original. The MK6 steering wheel does not have a center airbag. That blue, I'm going to rock it without an airbag for now until I can get a cover. They do make covers that replicate the airbag. They just pop in and the emblem on top. What you should do first is obviously take off your battery terminals, because if you don't and you touch something here, this goes bingo bango bongo and then you have no face. So we're gonna go ahead and take the positive and negative terminals off the battery. So you wanna pop your hood. So it's a 10 mil, pop it off. Don't know what happened to my 10 mil ratcheting socket, but whatever. I think I can get this with my hands. So pop that off. There we go. That's out of the way. Might as well do this other one for extra. Just make sure there's absolutely no power going to the airbag. So now that the battery is completely 100% disassembled and there is no power going to any of the contacts in the car, we can simply go ahead and start disassembling the MK4 steering wheel. So behind the steering wheel, there's like two tabs, one on this side and one on this side. And basically what you gotta do is grab your flathead screwdriver and go behind it and poke it in and then push down like that. Do this kind of motion. And that will release the clips that are holding this airbag together. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick my screwdriver in there and hopefully she pops out. All right, so I was able to remove the airbag without any explosions. There's a clip right there and there's an actual clip right there we take off, and then that little square is the ground. And so you pop those connections off and you will successfully take the airbag off. What I'm gonna have to do is turn the car back on and put the steering wheel straight, so that way if I do put on this other steering wheel, it will line up straight even though there's markings for it. So right after putting your battery terminals back on, I put the wheel where it needs to go, straight. What I'm gonna do is grab an M12. It looks like this, and we're gonna stick her in and we're gonna take her for a whirl. So that is the middle screw holding the steering wheel. We're gonna quickly undo this bolt here. It's almost done. And we're gonna pop her off. That one's out, and this one's the new wheel. I'm gonna align it to make sure it's straight. Push it in. And that is the new MK6 steering wheel. We're gonna pop this back in here, this middle screw. Make sure not to strip it. Tighten her up. Really give her a little bit of force, and that should do it. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, we'll be posting as much as we can, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm Protaz, and good night.